Did you know some birds catch food? Several bird species catch food, which involves storing surplus food in various locations for later consumption. This behavior is common among species that face unpredictable food availability. Shrikes are well known for the interesting and unique way of caching food. Shrikes catch and kill their prey with their sharp hooked beak and strong feet. They often impale their prey on sharp thorns or barbed wire spikes. This impaling of prey, like insects and lizards, makes it easier to tear prey into small pieces. It also allows the shrike to store it for later consumption. A cache or larder is handy in breeding season when feeding the chicks. However, not all shrikes impale their prey, but the most well-known one is the southern fiscal. It is also known as the butcher bird or the Jackie hangman because of this behavior of impaling its prey. Other shrikes that impale prey are the migrant shrikes like the lesser grey shrike and the red-backed shrike. My observation. I watched the southern fiscal arrive with an insect in its beak. It then impaled the insect on a sharp thorn, and it proceeded to tear pieces off and eat them. It ended up eating the whole insect.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.